In this video, we'll explore the best soldering wires available for your electrical and DIY projects. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, we've got you covered with top options to ensure smooth, reliable soldering every time. Not everyone needs industrial-grade solder wire for heavy-duty applications. If that's you, there are still some excellent options for precision work. Our top pick is MAIYUM's 6337 tin lead Rosin core solder wire. With a low melting point of 361 degrees Fahrenheit, it flows smoothly and creates strong, reliable joints. The 0.8mm diameter is perfect for circuit boards, DIY projects, and small electronics repairs. Its 63/37 tin lead ratio ensures a solid bond with minimal effort. It's affordable too, priced at just $7.19, making it a great value for hobbyists and professionals alike. Just remember to handle it safely as it contains lead. We have more choices than ever for lead-free solder, and some perform just as well as traditional options. What we like about AUSTOR's 0.8mm lead-free solder wire is its reliable alloy blend. With 99% tin, 0.3% silver, and 0.7% copper, it melts smoothly between 215 degrees Celsius and 220 degrees Celsius, forming strong, clean joints. The rosin core helps with flow, making it great for circuit boards and DIY electronics. At 100 grams per spool, it's a solid value for $12.99. While lead-free solder takes some getting used to, this one delivers solid performance without the health concerns of leaded alternatives. Our top choice for tin lead solder wire is WYCTIN'S 6040 Rosin core solder. With a 60% tin and 40% lead composition, it offers a lower melting point of 361 degrees Fahrenheit, making soldering quick and efficient. The 0.6mm diameter is ideal for precision work on circuit boards, cables, and small electronics. The built-in rosin core helps the solder flow smoothly, reducing the need for extra flux. At 50 grams per spool, it's lightweight and easy to store. If you need reliable solder for DIY repairs and electronics, this one's a solid pick. It's available for just $7.99. Lead-free solder is a great choice for electronics, and ENERSYSTEC's 0.6mm Rosin core solder wire is a solid pick. With a composition of 99% tin, 0.3% silver, and 0.7% copper, it enhances electrical conductivity, making it ideal for high-end applications like amplifier equipment. The fine 0.6mm diameter allows for precision work on PCBs, small ICs, and tiny resistors. A 2.5% flux core ensures smooth flow and strong joints. With a melting point of 419 degrees Fahrenheit, it's compatible with most soldering tools. Available for $7.99, it's a reliable option for DIY repairs and electronics projects. The AUSTOR 63-37 tin lead rosin core solder wire is a top choice for electrical repairs and soldering projects. With a 63% tin and 37% lead composition, it offers reliable performance with a melting point of 361 degrees Fahrenheit. The 1.5mm diameter provides a perfect balance for larger joints and heavy-duty tasks. It comes in a 100-gram spool, giving you plenty of material for your projects. Expect smooth flow and solid joints, making it great for DIY repairs and electrical work. At $9.99, it's a cost-effective solder wire, but remember to take proper precautions as it contains lead.